Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Look at these super cute and super fun samples that I made using the How Sweet It Is bundle from the Occasions catalog. This bundle is super fun because there's fun colors and fun images with all of the candy. So these cards actually use a lot of the same products between both cards, even though one is more purple and feminine and one is more blue-green and masculine. So this is actually using some of the How Sweet It Is designer series paper. One side of the designer series paper is these purple fun dots, and the other side are these beautiful stripes that are in Coastal Cabana. So you can see that with one piece of paper, you can get both fun patterns. And then I just used my layering ovals to create that scallop and the smooth, and stamped different images using the Sweetest Thing stamp set, which is this one here. So you can see you have 3 options of candy jars and lots of different candy options. Chocolates, gummy bears, little hard candies, jelly beans, gumdrops, so many fun options. So I did all of these, and each one is a little bit different. This one I added some glitter enamel dots. I also used the wink of Stella for a little shine on my candies there. Of course, this one I did the gumdrops and colored those in. I used Stampin' blends to color those in. Here I did gumdrops, but I did 2 stamped images of the gumdrops to really fill that jar up. This one uses jelly beans inside there. And of course, this one has gummy bears, and I actually die cut out the jar and popped it up even more. Of course, I always had to add a little bit of image on the inside, or you can always do, I think this one has the little greeting on the bottom. So super fun, uses the same products for both. I used some of the purple striped ribbon from the annual catalog, but I also used some of the Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green reversible ribbon, which is in that same suite for the masculine cards. So then this one I also used both. So you can kind of mix and match and really play with it and have fun with the different colors and the different patterns in the paper. So I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration to use your How Sweet It Is bundle and to use both sides of your designer series paper. Let me know which one you prefer, the purple or the blue. I can't wait to see which one you guys like, and if there is a consensus with one certain color, or if you guys are all 50-50. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for more pictures of these, as well as lots of other inspiration. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!